Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist, Trainer and Assessor here at the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make a natural glow skin serum. Now let me show you how easy it is to put together. Today I'm going to show you how to create this super easy natural skin glow serum, which will give your skin a beautiful, natural, healthy looking glow without being shimmery or glittery. You can wear it on its own, or you can put it on under your foundation for natural radiance. You can see the difference on my hand there. I'm going to start by adding some niacinamide. Niacinamide is vitamin B3, which is readily soluble and dissolves very easily in the water phase. Niacinamide is known for its skin brightening properties, which is why I'm using it in this serum. It's proven to even out the skin tone and is a great anti-aging active because it supports collagen production and skin renewal. Now, because there's no heating required in this formula, I can add the preservative to the water phase now. I've used a naturally derived broad spectrum preservative. Okay, I'll pop that aside for now. Here I have some propanediol. Propanediol is a natural humectant which doesn't feel sticky or tacky on the skin, and to that I'm going to add some xanthan gum. I'm using Cosmoderm X24, which is natural, non-GMO and vegan, but what I really love about this is that it's non-sticky or tacky on the skin, which can be a problem with some grades of xanthan gum. So just create a little slurry with that first. And once that's smooth, you can pop it into the water phase. Just helps to gel the water to get that beautiful serum consistency. Okay, now the oil phase is really simple. I've used Pre-Pure 3759 because it's naturally derived and EcoCert approved. It has excellent spreading properties with a soft and velvety, non-greasy skin feel. This formula doesn't require antioxidants because the Pre-Pure is already stable and resistant to oxidation. Okay, to the Pre-Pure I'm going to add some mica, a fair bit of mica. Mica is oil soluble, so just make sure you're putting that in the oil phase and not trying to put it in your water phase. So the mica is for added glow, but I'm not putting in so much that it's going to be shimmery or glittery on the skin. I'm trying to create the illusion that the glow is coming from in rather than has been added to the surface of the skin. You can add more if you want a more glittery look. Okay, so once you've pre-dispersed the mica in the Pre-Pure, we'll just pop that down for a minute. Okay, I'm going to put the water phase now onto the propeller mixer. Okay, once it's on the propeller mixer, then I will add in the oil phase. Just turn that on. These phases don't need heating before combining because the lipid portion is so small, so it'll go straight into the water phase on a mixer and the gums will help to stabilize it. You see, as it's starting to come together, it gets that real pearlescent look to the serum. Okay, that's looking good. And it's that easy. Pour it out so you can see it's that beautiful pearl look it's got going on, beautifully smooth. So simple. Pop it in a easy disperse bottle. And that's it. So easy, natural skin glow serum to give you that natural, radiant, healthy glow on the skin. See? That's how easy it is to create a natural glow skin serum. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on all of our videos, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for free formulas. Happy formulating!